Car insurance policies can help pay for a victim's injuries after a car accident. But what constitutes a car accident? In Interinsurance Exchange versus Flores, we'll see whether a car insurance policy must pay out when a victim wasn't hit by a car, but was shot by someone riding in a car. Eric Sanders' van was insured in California by Interinsurance Exchange, known as Automobile Club. Sanders' policy stated that his coverage included accidents arising out of the use of the van. The policy also stated that Automobile Club would pay damages for injuries that were caused by an occurrence or accident arising out of Sanders' ownership or use of the insured van. One day, when Sanders was at a stoplight, a pedestrian walked up to Sanders and punched him in the face. Sanders later told Roger Perez about the incident. Perez suggested that he and Sanders go back to the intersection, find the person that punched Sanders, and seek retribution. Perez told Sanders that he had a gun, and Sanders knew that someone was likely to get shot. Sanders drove back to the intersection with Perez. Perez saw David Flores at the corner of the intersection. Perez intentionally shot Flores from Sanders' van. Although Sanders was driving the van itself didn't hit or injure Flores. Sanders was later arrested. In his criminal trial, Sanders pled nolo contendere, or no contest, to aiding and abetting during the shooting. Rosemary Flores, David's guardian ad litem, filed a civil suit against Sanders for conspiracy, battery, and negligence. Rosemary argued that Sanders and Perez agreed to hunt down and either kill or maim whoever punched Sanders. Automobile Club filed an action for declaratory relief to determine whether it had a duty to indemnify or pay for Flores's injuries under Sanders' policy. Automobile Club claimed that Sanders' policy only covered damages for bodily injury that were caused by an occurrence arising out of Sanders' use of the insured van. The trial court denied Automobile Club's motion for declaratory relief, and the case went to trial. The trial court held that the shooting wasn't an accident and that Sanders acted intentionally when he aided and abetted in the shooting. Therefore, the trial court ruled that Automobile Club wasn't obligated to indemnify Sanders under the policy. Rosemary Flores appealed to the California Court of Appeal.